Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syirikah binti Cik Daud. My matric number 1201803. Inshallah, today our group will present about directory on blood donation. Introduction. Firstly, we choose the topic blood donation. So, what is blood donation? Blood donation refers to the voluntary act of giving some of one's blood for medical needs. It involves obtaining blood from a donor, typically using a needle inserted into a vein and collecting it for use in transfusions or other medical procedures. We use various keywords such as blood donation, blood transfusion, blood donation and Islamic, blood transfusions and surgery, and others. We utilize search engines like Google Chrome, Google Scholar, or Science Direct to facilitate the search for blood donation-related information. The information is available in various formats such as editorial journal, online news, and encyclopedia. We will present a comprehensive directory of information about blood donation. The purpose of this directory is to provide easy access to a variety of resources that contain necessary and reliable information. Firstly, the definition of blood donation. We have 5 different sources. Firstly, dictionary. Secondly, encyclopedia. Thirdly, book. Fourthly, from journal. Fifthly, website. Firstly, dictionary. The meaning of blood donation according to Merriam-Webster is blood donation is a person who gives blood for use in transfusion. The encyclopedia titled Blood Donation and Blood Banking by Health Encyclopedia. This encyclopedia provides comprehensive information on various aspects of blood donation and blood banking. The content covers a wide range of topics related to blood donation, including the donation process, eligibility, criteria, benefits, potential risks, and more. Next, book. The book titled Blood, A Very Short Introduction by Oxford University Press. This book provides detailed definition about the term of blood donation, explains blood groups, and looks at transfusions, blood tests. Next, we move on to the website from Mayo Clinic. That title blood donation. This website provides a comprehensive guide to the donation process, including details about the procedure, its importance, and what to expect when donating blood.
Perspective of blood donation, there are 2 sources. First one is from printed book, second one is from website. The printed book title Voluntary Blood Donation from National AIDS Control Organization. This printed book mentions various objectives of voluntary blood donation, such as first, to provide safe and quality blood and blood component collected from voluntary donors. Second one is free of cost to the poor. For the website, there is a website titled Why Give Blood, NHS Blood Donation. This web page provide objective the need of new blood donors from all background to ensure there is the right blood available for patients who need it.
Statistic on blood donation. This topic presents information on data and statistic on blood donation in Malaysia. We chose online newspaper from Berita Harian Online that titled Hanya 22.2% rakyat derma darah di Malaysia. This online news discusses the low percentage of blood donors in Malaysia in 2014. The websites, which is from the Ministry of Health and Department Statistics on Malaysia website. This website provides the latest statistics and trend data on indicators related to blood transfusions in services in Malaysia, including the states, through the National Blood Centre. Next, we have an Islamic perspective on blood donation. Firstly, from the journal titled Blood Transfusion, a critical review in light of Sharia by Journal Tadhib al-Afkar. This journal provides the legal and ethical aspects of blood transfusion within the framework of Sharia, supported by evidence from Quranic verses. Next, we have conference paper that titled Blood Donation Among Muslim Young Adults. This paper explains the crucial topic of blood donation with emphasis on analyzing the motivating factors and enabling factors that influence blood donation among Muslim young adults in Malaysia. Besides, the website from Fake Islamic Online that titled Blood Transfusion Trade or Donation. This website explained the ruling on blood transfusion in Islam, specifically addressing the distinction between trading and donating blood. Next, we move on to another subtopic that titled Application of Blood Donation. This topic provides valuable insights into the advantages of repeated blood donations, types of blood donation, and blood donation for specific patients. Firstly, advantages on repeated blood donation. From the journal titled Impact of Regular Blood Donation on the Human Body, Donors' Perspective, Donors' Opinion on Side Effects of Regular Blood Donation on Human Body from Journal of Transfusion Medicine. Online newspaper from Berita Harian Online that titled 30 Kali Demo Darah. This online news share the experience of celebrity in Malaysia that named Azharani who donated 35 times of blood and highlights the benefits of being an active of blood donor. Next, websites. Firstly, from portal MyHelp that titled Keistimewaan Menjadi Seorang Penderma Darah. This website discusses the advantages or benefits of being a blood donor in Malaysia.
I will continue about types of blood donation. There are two types of blood donation, which is first whole blood donation and apheresis. Whole blood donation is donate about a pint, about half a liter of whole body, while apheresis is hooked up to a machine that collects and separate different parts of your body. There is a link that related to the types of blood donation.
Next, for the blood donation for specific patient, by donating blood, it can help other people too. First one is maintain good health or allow them to stay alive. Second one is donated blood used to help people with medical condition that require blood or blood product regularly. Third, blood donation are used for patients in need of surgery, cancer treatment, and transfusion for blood loss from traumatic injuries and others. There are two sources for blood transfusion for surgery that is help for specific patient. First one is from website titled Blood Transfusion During Surgery. This website provide answer for frequently asked questions by patient that may undergo a surgery, mostly about blood transfusion during surgery. Second one is journal from the top 20 surgical procedure associated with the highest risk for blood transfusion. This journal provides information about where blood products are being used and common surgical procedure at the highest risk for red blood cell transfusion. Next, blood transfusion for cancer treatment. There are sources from website titled The Importance of Blood Donation. This website provides an answer to why cancer patients need blood. Cancer patients are in a consistent need for blood for many reasons such as loss of blood during surgery, low blood count due to the side effect of the chemotherapy and radiation. Third one, anemia, which can be caused by the disease itself. Blood transfusion for trauma patient. From a website titled Provide Life-Saving Whole Blood for Trauma Patient at Blood Drive. This website shares why blood products are needed in critical trauma cases. The whole blood able to give help to restore adequate blood flow and help the body form blood clots to staunch further bleeding. Last but not least, blood donation in pregnancy and childbirth. There are two sources from website and a journal. Website titled The Need for Blood in Pregnancy and Childbirth. This website provides information about some conditions where blood products are crucial, such as how important blood donation are for pregnant women if there are complications during pregnancy. The second one, journal incident and risk factor of transfusion reaction in postpartum blood transfusion. This journal stated that blood transfusion postpartum have an increased risk for transfusion reaction, especially in pregnancies complicated by preeclampsia.
The building for blood donation is the hospitals that provide the blood donation services in each state. The Center of Blood Donation, which located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. There is the list of the hospital that have blood donation. The authority is the person in charge in every department with responsibilities to ensure every procedure for blood donation went well. There is a link from Pusat Darah Negara about the authorities, and we can visit the website to know the person in charge in every department. There is the list of website. First, National Blood Center or Pusat Darah Negara. This website provides comprehensive resources relating information on blood donation, including services, facilities, training programs, and the significance of blood donation. Second is BloodGo. BloodGo is the web page provides information on nearby blood donation events in Malaysia that will be held. Third is blood donor registration form. This web page is related to the registration form for blood donors in Malaysia. It is associated with the transfusion services under the Ministry of Health in Malaysia.
For the conclusion, it is essential to find appropriate sources of information to ensure that the information is reliable and accurate. Information service have made it more convenient to access various sources of data. For example, retrieving information in the topic of blood donation results in diversity of sources. To ensure accuracy and relevance, it is essential to narrow down the scope of the topic and focus on specific aspects such as the definition, application, and example of blood donation, including documentation, facilities, and services. As a result, accurate information will be provided and might help the user to find relevant and accurate information.